Hi guys, so today's video is gonna be about playing Subway. But first, like, subscribe, do the notifications bell. Okay, now let's start. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Just jump like this. Oh no. So easy, guys. So easy. Oh no. Bro, I was gonna die. Oh my god. No. Oh my god, I died, guys. Okay. Oh, I don't have enough key, guys. So we can change the character right now, or change the skin. So I'll go to me. Oh, Buzz and some characters here. Oh my god, that's, I think, 350,000 coins. That's too much. Oh, get now. Oh my god, it's with money. It's with, oh. Jake, Tricky, Fresh. Oh my god, I got 18 and I need to get 15 radio. Okay. Jake, we'll go with Jake. Selected, already selected. So we'll play. Oh my god, it's so close to me. Already close to me. Okay. Jump like this. Roll like this. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, there's some garbage here or rubbish. So oh, there's just new trains, guys, and there is new things. Oh my god, no! That was the problem. Oh no. Okay. Already playing good. Oh. We're already up. No, guys, I lose. I can watch AD, but I'm not gonna. Oh, I have 3 keys. I can go here. I can go, guys. Oh my god, what just happened? What the? Oh my god. Already 0 keys. Oh. Never mind, we'll continue. How many coins did I? Already 13,000 coins. Let's see new character already. So we'll close this from here. Go to me. We'll get $2. Oh, I can get ninja, but already 30. Oh my god. 40,000, 80,000. This is the king, but he's looking fast. Zoe, she's ill. She don't look good. Oh my god. This looks like Saudi Arabian people. That's so weird, guys. Oh, 75k. That's too much, guys. That's too much. So, we'll Amy, I think Amy. So, I'll change the character. I will use ninja. Select. It's already selected. Then oh, bro, that was so weird. No, that's the problem, guys. Let's just play again. And even new music. Okay. Oh my god, so let's go. Is he here? No. Okay. Oh no, guys. Already 10,000. Still 13,000 coins. That's the last one. Oh my gosh. Okay, the last one. We'll do the last one, then we'll end the video. God, what's going on? This is fun. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash a big thumbs up, subscribe, and bye everyone. Bye.